Baking bread is more than just a recipe. It is a mindful practice, a moment to slow down, connect, and create something with care. Today, I'm going to share how to bake a perfect soft loaf, and this simple act can bring a sense of peace and presence. We start with a few basic ingredients: 3 cups of bread flour, 1 cup of active sourdough starter, 1 cup of water, and 1 teaspoon of salt. If your starter is not bubbly, don't worry. You can add a 1/4 cup of teaspoon of yeast. Like faith, sometimes you just need a little extra help to rise. As you make the ingredients, take a moment to be present. Feel the dough coming together under your hands. Baking is about more than just a final product. It's a chance to be in the moment. Into the rough dough, rest and cover for an hour. Kneading take time and patience, but that's where the transformation happens. You notice how the dough becomes smooth and elastic, just like how light can soften with a little care and attention. Now cover the dough and let it rise for 4 to 6 hours. If your kitchen is a bit cooler and the dough is not rising that fast, just be patient, it will get there. During this time, the dough is quietly growing, become what it meant to be. It reminds me that sometimes in stillness, growth happens. After it risen, it should double in size. I like to add raisin and chopped nut before I shape the dough into a loaf. Place it in the loaf pans or whatever oven-safe pans you have. This process is about nurturing what you have started. Let it rise above the edge of the pan. Preheat the oven at 375. For a softer crust, place a small pan of water in the oven to create the steam. Bake for 40 to 45 minutes. As soon as it comes out of the oven, brush or rub the top with butter for an even softer finish. Look at this soft golden bread. Baking is more than just following steps. It's a reminder that when we put care and attention into something, the result is always beautiful. Take a moment to enjoy the fruit of your effort. This is more than bread. It's a nourishment for your body and soul. Thank you for joining me in this mindful practice. Until next time, and don't forget to like and subscribe.